53rd. Hey guys, we're here in Don Salvador and today we're taking you to one of the popular cafes here guys with a scenic view, Corvada Cafe. Nagbiyahe pala kami guys ng almost 1.5 hour from Bacolod City going to Don Salvador, Benedicto, also known as the Little Baguio of Negros Occidental.
So, day of vlog namin to guys kasi it's my birthday today.
Happy birthday!
Guys, dito kami magla-lunch.
Kakain dito.
Pupunta kami doon sa kanilang viewing deck.
Yeah.
Kasi makikita nyo dito yung falls.
Malatanog Falls.
Ay, Malatanog Falls din. Lahir ba ito?
Okay guys, let's go!
Fur babies are welcome here guys. So,
Fur
pwede
babies
nyo
are
madala
allowed.
yung mga babies nyo as long as naka-diaper tsaka
Naka-leash.
naka-leash. Then, bring din kayo ng poop bag.
Yeah. Guys, the highlight of the place is yun, makikita natin yung Malatanog Falls. Oh. Ha? Hindi na-video. Friend ba na sila?
Oo, ikaw ni Spy. Kauhawangin po.
Boy ni tanan.
Batsoy na. Batsoy. Isa yung nag-corned beef. Sorry, Kuya Pai. O sa din na dito sa inyo ha? O, diri sa imo na background. Yan. Water sa water.
Coffee, Riri.
La friend, oh! Friend, oh! Spy! Agay! Spy! Spy! Dahil na, Bi! Kuya! Spy, Spy! Spy!
Yung coffee pala dito guys ay native. So yung in-order namin kanina, native with milk. Tapos si Linlin, nag-order siya ng hot choco. Tapos si MMS iced coffee. So far masarap din naman. And for the food, nag-order kami ng bacon, yung corned beef, liempo, tapos batchoy, and then yung pansit. Masarap yung pansit nila guys, and malaki din yung serving. The highlight of the place, guys, is the Malatanog Falls. Famous Malatanog Falls of DSB. Hey guys, so tapos na kaming kumain and mag-pictorial. And so far, yung food nila is masarap naman. Medyo on the pricier side, pero sulit na din. Tapos, yung view din kasi yung highlight talaga ng cafe na to. So again, this is Corvada Cafe. And yung maganda din dito guys is fur baby friendly sila. Kung nakita nyo yung mga previous vlogs namin, naghahanap talaga kami guys ng pet friendly cafe most of the time kasi nga dala talaga namin yung mga fur babies namin. And especially ngayon nga na birthday ni MM.
May resident dog din sila dito, baby.
Yeah, may fur baby din sila dito guys.
May resident dog sila dito.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, nagpabili Rob. Hello. Nagpabili Rob.
Meron din pala sila dito guys. Need lang ng entrance. 20 pesos. May viewing deck sila. Teka lang, i-zoom natin. Ayun. So yan yung viewing deck guys. And just across is the Malatanag Falls. Maganda yung view dyan guys. Pero hindi na lang kami pupunta dyan kasi medyo mainit. Tsaka baka mainitan yung mga fur babies. Guys, we're done with Corvada Cafe. Now, pauwi na kaming Bacolod guys. But, pupuntahan pa namin yung picture site, yung may mga pine trees. Picture spot, yung may mga pine trees. Magpipicture kami doon guys. Kasi pwede na palang pumasok doon. Before kasi, binawalan yun siya na ano eh. Pasok, close yun siya before. But now it's open. You can go there and take pictures. Ilang ano lang naman. Siguro mga 5 minutes lang from Corvada Cafe. Hey guys, ito yung magandang picture spot dito sa Donsal. Yung mga trees. I'm not sure what kind of tree. Basta yun mga kahoy. Magandang marami nagpipictorial dito guys and free lang naman pumasok dito. So, we took pictures. Yeah, maybe. Ang ganda din ng place. The colors. Pagod sa life. Just across pala guys, may fruit stand dito. Maraming mga saging. May mga melon, watermelon. Humot kayang ano, may durian pa oh. Marang humot. So, pag gusto niyong bumili ng fruits guys, just across lang siya ng dito. Guys, that's it for our vlog today. Yung Corvada Cafe and then dito. Pauwi na kami ngayon guys ng Bacolod. So far, yung sa Corvada guys, maganda yung view, masarap din yung food medyo on the pricier side nga lang siya. Pero worth it naman. Okay. Happy birthday ulit kay MM. So yun guys. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa aming channel, do subscribe and like our video guys if you like this video. And help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Bye guys!